Ravi is a class 10th student. His teacher has asked him to submit a history assignment of 600 words on the Indus Valley civilization. He is excited about the task and starts writing on a sheet of paper. After writing the first paragraph, he realized that there could be a better introduction to the topic. So, he strikes out the entire paragraph and writes the introduction again. While writing the assignment, he realized that he has missed two key subtopics, cultural aspects and drainage systems during those times. He thought of adding the two subtopics in the current document, but he understands that it will not look neat. The other option was to rewrite the entire document and include the subtopics, but then it is a lot of work and he may miss his submission deadline. He wondered if there is an efficient way of editing his assignment. What do you think Ravi can do to make his assignment look neat and without rewriting the assignment? Well, one of the solutions is to use MS Word 2010. The editing features of MS Word 2010 can be used to modify the document effectively. Let us now learn how to use the editing features of MS Word 2010. To edit a document, you need to be at the position where the modification would be done. Let's see how to navigate through the document. You can use the arrow keys on the keyboard for moving the cursor up, down, left or right. Page up and page down keys can be used to move up or down the screen in the document. Alternatively, you can also navigate using a mouse. The central scroller of the mouse allows you to move up or down the document. In a document which has multiple pages, a bar appears on the right side and at the bottom of the window. These are called scroll bars. You can move to the desired part of the document in the window's frame by moving the scroll bar. There are arrow buttons at both the ends of the scroll bars. To move up or down one line, you need to click the scroll up or scroll down arrow. To navigate vertically and move one screen up or down, you need to click above or below the vertical scroll bar. To go to a specific part of the document, drag the scroll bar. This will roll up or roll down the document. Similarly, to navigate horizontally, you need to use the left arrow, right arrow and horizontal scroll bar. In the previous example, we saw that Ravi wanted to add the subtopics between existing texts. To do this, Ravi can use the insert mode and add the text related to subtopics in the existing document without deleting any section. However, if Ravi wants to overwrite the existing text, he can use the overtype mode while editing the document. You can also toggle the insert and overtype mode by pressing the insert key on the keyboard. To replace the insert key with the toggle key, click Options on the File tab and go to the Advanced section. Now select the checkbox use the Insert key to control Overtype mode. Insert option is now enabled. Sometimes you need to move a block of text to another location. For this purpose, MS Word gives the option to select the block of text which needs to be moved. And select the text by pressing the Shift key along with the arrow, page up or page down keys. Shift with up arrow key is used to select one row upward. Shift with down arrow key is used to select one row downward. Shift with page up key is used to select one page upward. Shift with page down key is used to select one page downward. To select the entire document, press the Ctrl key and the A key together. To copy and paste the text, first select the text. Right-click on the selected text. It will show the context menu. Choose the Copy option. Now, take the cursor to the target location. Right-click and select the option Paste from the context menu. This will create a copy of the same block of text in the new or target location. To move the text, first select the text. Right-click on the selected text. Choose the Cut option. It will remove the text from the source location and keep it on the clipboard. Now take the cursor to the target location and right-click. Select the option Paste from the context menu. This will create the same block of text in the new location. In MS Word 2010, the Paste command provides different alternatives. The Keep Source Formatting option for the Paste command preserves the look of the source text. The Keep Text Only option does not keep any formatting of source text. Do you wonder how MS Word does this famous copy and paste operations? Let's understand the internal functioning of these operations. MS Word 2010 has a temporary storage area. When you copy the selected text using Ctrl-C, it copies the selected data into the clipboard. When you paste the data using Ctrl-V, it takes the data from the clipboard and pastes it at the desired location. Microsoft Office consists of an Office clipboard. It allows 24 chunks of text and graphics to be copied that can be used in other programs of Microsoft Office. To view and use clipboard content, go to the Clipboard group of Home tab. Click the launcher. It will open the clipboards. Now, right-click on the desired item. Select Paste from the context menu. Let's take another example. Ravi's teacher has suggested some global changes in a document. He wants the word symbol to be changed to the word document. Ravi has discovered an easy way to find the word instead of reading the complete document. MS Word 2010 has a feature to find a particular text. To find the text, go to the editing group of Home tab. Click Find. Alternatively, you can use the Ctrl F key. When you press the Ctrl F key, it opens the navigation panel on the left side of the Word window. You can type the text that is required to be searched. When you press Enter, the cursor will reach the word matching the search criteria. It will show all the matches of the searched item. You can click the specific match to reach the desired location in the document. You can also use a few of the advanced options. Go to the editing group of the Home tab. Click the down arrow button with Find. It will display the drop-down list. Select Advanced Find. It will open the Find and Replace dialog box. Enter the text to be searched in Find What. On clicking More, it will show various advanced search options such as Match Case, Use Wildcard, etc. Tick the desired option. As stated in the previous example, Ravi needs to change the word symbol to document. MS Word 2010 has a feature to replace a particular text. To find the text, go to the editing group of the Home tab. Click Replace. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl H. It will open the Find and Replace dialog box. Enter the text to be searched in the Find What field. Enter the new text in the Replace With field. You can use the advanced option of searching the text as in the case of Find. Click Find Next to reach to the next occurrence of the searched text and click Replace to change the text. If you want to replace all the occurrences like Ravi, click Replace All. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this animation.